You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Pai. I'm back with another K-pop makeup tutorial inspired by IU's makeup look in her newest music video, 8. If you are IU and BTS fans, you must know the song, right? Alright, let's get started. This makeup look is really simple and natural, just like IU's signature look. However, I noticed IU's eyebrows were a bit thicker and the makeup was more visible for this look in the music video, so I'm gonna try to recreate it. For the nose contour, I'm just gonna apply it more around the tip of my nose. And as you can see, I'm gonna try to contour the side of my face as well, because this hairstyle makes my face look wider. And now, let's do the makeup. The eye makeup might look different because I have big eyes, and I think my eye shape are more like Hyuna's or Taeyeon's eyes. Unfortunately, my hair is not black at the moment, so I kind of feel the vibe doesn't feel the same. And next is the highlighter. Last for the lips, it's a gradation of maroon color and the makeup is done.
You like a lonely man. Without me.
That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you